0, so you keep it right here.
Yeah.
And then you would do your x like normal.
It's the same thing you do for that.
And then I mess up a line and we'll go right here.
You go that way?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so it just goes to the origin?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
That's why I was confused. I thought, like, I didn't know.
It's okay, it's okay. All right.
Explained it now.
Standard form.
Because you're lying, it confused me.
This is slope intercept. All right. Y'all good so far?
Yes.
All right. Slope intercept. That's what that is. Now, standard form. Standard form. I find standard form to be, me personally, I find standard form to be just as easy as slope intercept. Okay. Standard form, ax plus by is equal to c, okay? Second page, 5 through 8. Ax plus by is equal to c. Look at number 5. 7x plus 5y is equal to 25. You have 7x plus 5y is equal to 25, okay? And with standard form, if you feel these are two avenues that you can take, okay? Two avenues. If you feel like you can solve this better using the slope-intercept form of what I just showed you, then you can change this to slope-intercept form, okay? Literally, that's why they call it literal equations, okay? So, the two ways to solve this, you can subtract this 7x to the other side. Therefore, you'll have 5y equal to a negative 7x plus 25. And then divide the 5.
Final 3, right?
Mm-hmm. What you do on one side, you do on everything on the other side. So therefore, y is equal to a negative 7 over 5x plus 5. Okay? Now you have it in that form. Or you can solve this by, I can scoot that over. I'm gonna solve it right here, and I'm gonna put the graph over here. You can solve this by just getting the x and the y, finding your x-axis and your y-axis. So if you have 7x plus 5y equal to 25, right? In order for you to solve for your x, you must make your y equal to 0. In order for you to solve for your y, you must make your x equal to 0, okay? So 7x plus 5, 0 is equal to 25. 7, 0 plus 5y is equal to 25. Obviously, the zeros, they cancel out, right? So you have 7x equal to 25. And you have 5y equal to 25, right? Let me know if I'm going too fast. Let me know if I'm going too fast. Okay? You divide the 7 on both sides. They cancel out. X is equal to, obviously, 25 over 7. Right here, at a point like this, I wouldn't mind if you made this a decimal. You know what I'm saying? This is like 25 divided by 7. That's like 3.2 or 3 point, you know what I'm saying? 3.1 maybe? Yeah, well, 7 goes into 21 3 times, so we got 3 points away. So I'm thinking it's like 3.2, something like that. But yeah, so for something like this, and let me show you how I work it, all right? Divide the 5 on both sides. Y is equal to 5. Notice the correlation. Notice. Your y-intercept is 5. Y-intercept is still 5. So you can graph this either by solving for the standard form or changing your standard form into a slope-intercept form, okay? Okay? Now, looking at this on the graph.
Wait, so on the X, that's all you do? You just go to 25 over 7?
Yeah, like literally 25 over 7 is like 3.2. What I would like, when you get something like that, you know for a fact that it's like 3 point something, just put your dot in between the 3 and the 4, okay?
So you'll understand what we mean when we do that?
Yeah.
As long as it's like correct.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna sit here and bite y'all's heads off like, oh, is it closer to the 3 or is it closer to, no. Just put your dot in between the 3 and the 4. You know what I'm saying? I'm not, like, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops, that y is 5. So, looking at this, if you're looking at this, the y is 5, so we're going to put the y up here. And our x is 25 over 7. It's 3 point something, right? Just put it right here between the 3 and the 4. And then just connect them. That's an ugly line, but y'all see what I mean, okay? You could connect them like that. And or, if you put it like this, you already know Okay, so looking at this with the y-intercept or the slope-intercept form, right? Your y-intercept is still 5. It's still a positive 5. Boom, all the way up here. Where our y is at, right? And in this type of situation, we're going to count down 7. Because, I mean, we can't necessarily count up 7. We got to count down 7. And if we count down 7, if we count down, we have to do the opposite of the way we run. So, listen up. This is very important. If we count down, we got to do the opposite of the way that we run, okay? So if we were to count up 7, which way would we run?
To the left.
To the left, okay? If we count up 7, we would run to the left because this is a negative slope. But if we count down 7, which way will we run?
To the right.
To the right, okay? If you're going to count down, you do the opposite, okay? So we're going to count down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count the origin. 6, 7. And we're going to run to the right 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And if you notice,
it's in the same general area.
you see how the line crosses in between the 3 and the 4? Y'all see that? So, either way, y'all can solve, okay? This is y'all's choice. Just how you can take different avenues to go home. You know what I'm saying? There are different avenues that you can take to get from point A to point B. All right? It's your choice. Choose which one is easiest for you. If it's easiest for you to just put it into slope-intercept form, you might want to practice just adding or subtracting. Actually, you're going to subtract. You are going to subtract the AX to the other side and have negative AX plus your C, and then just divide that number to the other side by everything, okay? Or if you just enjoy making your y equal to 0 and your x equal to 0 and then solving that way, either way, I will take it, okay? Any questions, comments, concerns? Okay, cool. What's up?
Okay, so if the numerator is negative, you count down?
No. So, the reason why I counted down is because our our y-intercept is all the way up here,
Oh,
right?
Okay, yeah.
Can we count up?
No.
No, we can't. So we got to count down. And if you count down, you got to run the opposite way, okay? So if we were to count up, if this was a positive and we counted up 7, I'm sorry. No. Forget that. I'm sorry. So this is a negative. If we were to count up 7, which way would we run?
To the, you mean up?
Yeah, if we counted up, which way would we run?
To the right?
Uh-uh.
Oh, to the left.